It's of Anchor Barrier. The construction is ongoing from Ofankor Barrier to Pokwase down to some, and this is the outer lane. Because of construction ongoing, they have blocked this side. But I will ask you, is it because they have blocked this side? The whole place should be filled like this, and assembly. You people will come for money, and when we ask you the benefit of the money, you people will tell us it's a national cake. If you many assembly, then I'm this can here. AMA for ever catch us check cars, money license, money one as for now there. And no man can send about boy money to for you people don't do. All that amunim yanis moko kwedina kwan so na mo stop cars cars ti AMA for na nkasa pie de bad na moye when you go to Accra yefin when you go to chese baby abefa bia no ayefin nti se nyanyame na ya adom na sa boys here omo form group from home pastor boys atu omo ho agu krom so omo be ye bibi de ahye omo nkasa omo ho ane o man na ni onyam a na nkase na nkakrom be yefin da bia se ya na no anya fine you understand. And you're fine. It shouldn't be like that. I understand. It shouldn't be like that because sometimes you know go home and say, "Okay, what's the matter?" Now I'm going to say, "Yeah, oh, I'm rabbi brave or many more. I am my binu. You don't know how come I'm to me. Maybe I say, oh my God, I'm more. That's so she chrome the akenina. If you felt some Jack, I can't mayo. When I won't go for an shed and castle, nah, send your name a quaid and your crow. Any which ways, that is just by the way.